My poor birdie's dead. Yellow bird died last night. I don't know why. So I got 4 more birds in here, and I think I'm just gonna release them. It is summer now. They'll fly right into the trees, hopefully, and be free. Go ahead, my friends. I kept you here for 1 year. Now you're free. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. Good job. There you go. Good job. Go ahead. Go ahead, buddy. You don't want to fly? You don't want to fly? Here. You don't want to fly? You don't want to fly, Baba? There you go. He flew in that direction. He's gone. Go ahead, Baba. What's the matter with you? Oh, you don't want to fly? What's the matter with you? You don't want to fly? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, you're free. Go. Good job. Okay. They're all free now. He's up there somewhere. I see him. I see him on the tree. Oh man, I'm gonna miss you guys so much. But it's okay. It's okay. Have a wonderful life. I'll miss you all. Sorry, baby, you died. But you're free too.